Hey guys, thanks for being here with Hill. That's me. I'm Hillary, and today I'm going to be talking about the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Peppermint Frost Highlight Palette. I don't know if you guys saw my video that I posted unboxing his mystery boxes, and this was included, and I was really disappointed when I opened it, and this is what was inside. Oh, I have to... Hold on. And this is what was inside. Yeah, I don't know if you just saw that dump. I got a broken peppermint palette. I was so sad, and because these were exclusive and I didn't think I'd be able to get a new one. Well, to be honest, I didn't think I was not going to get a new one. I was just concerned that there wasn't enough made to get a replacement. So I emailed customer support. They emailed me back a couple days later, and they just asked for a picture of the broken palette combined with an invoice. Snapped that, easy peasy. And then I was sent another peppermint palette, and I got it in the mail, and I was really nervous. Here it is. And I was really nervous that it was going to be broken. But when I opened it up, that's the wrong one. Bye, ugly sweater. But when I opened it up, holy crap, I have highlight all over my pants. It looked like this. Not broken, all shades, so I could try all of them. I did dip into my broken one, and I really liked Igloo Gold, this middle one. But I was trying to put the ugly sweater because it looked so pretty, but it was broken and it just kept coming up powdery. So I'm excited to see what these look like. I want to really try out this ugly sweater shade since I haven't been able to really try it yet. And I'm happy that I have two now exclusive highlighting palettes that he didn't put for sale. He just put them in this mystery box, and I didn't have to return the broken one. So I'm able to have those two shades. So really, really, really pumped about that. And it smells so good. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch of them all. You can see them there. We have Ugly Sweater, which is really pretty and more of a white pinky. Gold Igloo, Igloo Child, Igloo Child, Igloo Gold, Igloo Child, what? Igloo Gold, and then Chocolate Ice. So Chocolate Ice would be really pretty, I think, when it's summertime and I'm a little darker. I really do like the Igloo Gold shade. And this ugly sweater is really pretty too. So I'm going to try that on and show you guys what these look like. So what I'm going to do, I think, is show you guys the ugly sweater on one shade since I haven't been able to test it out. And then I'll show you what I've been using, which is the Igloo Gold on the other, and show you guys just those differences. So on this side, I'm going to do Ugly Sweater. Okay, I just dipped into it really lightly, and this is his Skin Frost, I believe, highlight. Yeah, Skin Frost Pro Palette. So, it's not even his most extreme. Oh my god. This isn't even his most extreme. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Like, these are so, like that's blinding. That's pretty. It's gonna go up a little bit over here. Getting out of such a straight line. Okay, so that is Ugly Sweater, the shade that was broken originally. And now let's go into Igloo Gold. This side. It amazes me every time. This is a clean brush. There's nothing on. There's no ugly sweater on this. It's clean. Oh my god. That's insane. That is just crazy. And like I can smell the peppermint. I'm putting it on this side because I really like it. Okay. Now I'm gonna do just a little nose and above my lips so you guys just can see. And I'm gonna keep going into Igloo Gold because I love it. And alrighty, so this is the highlight palette, not broken. Now I have two. Pretty excited about that. Okay, if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.